Hello everyone! Welcome to our video presentation about index in Charles Sanders Peirce semiotics theory. In daily life, we see many signs such as footprints, smoke, sirens, even notification on our phone. But have you ever wondered how these signs create meaning? We don't know until we will explain to you about what index is, how it works, and why is it important to understanding these signs. So let's get started.
In Charles' theory, sign is something that represents something else. Charles divides three types of sign. The first one is icon, the second one is index, and the last one is symbol. Okay, we focus on index. An index is a sign that has a direct and real connection with the object it represents. This connection is not similar like an icon, but not similar like cultural assignment like an symbol. Instead, it is based on actual existence or cause and effect relation.
To make it clear, let's look at the simple examples of index. Smoke is an index of fire. Footprints are an index of someone who walked there. These signs appear because the objects exist. So, the relationship is causal. Fire produces smoke and walking produces footprints. This is what makes index different from the other types of signs. It is directly connected to reality.
For example, smoke coming out from a forest area indicates a forest fire, even if we cannot see the fire directly, but smoke evidence that burning is happening. So smoke works as an index because it is physically produced by fire. No fire, no smoke.
Another example is footprints on the ground. When we see footprints, we know that a person or animal has passed that place. The footprints are left through physical contact, so they become an index of presence, a sign that someone was there.
The third example that lightning is also an index. When lightning strikes, it indicates atmospheric disturbance. Usually, it becomes a sign of an upcoming storm or heavy rain. The lightning does not symbolize the storm, but it is a part of the natural process that signals it.
We can also use our sense. For instance, the smell of smoke. When we smell something burning, we immediately think there's a fire nearby. The smell is caused by particles in the air from combustion. So again, it's a direct causal index.
Index is very important because it helps us to understand reality. It gives us clues about what is happening, even we cannot see the object directly. In periodic model, the sign is called representment. The object is what it refers to, and the meaning form is interpreted. Index connect these three to real existence. That is why index is often considered factual and evidential.
Understanding index makes us better interpreters of signs. In a way, we become like detectives. We read clues from the environment. For example, sweet can indicate heat or nervousness. Fast heartbeat can indicate fear. Dark clouds can indicate rain. By reading indexes, we understand situations before they are fully happen.
In everyday communication, index works as a sign. A phone notification indicates a new message. A ringing alarm indicates danger or warning. These signs guide our action. They help us respond quickly to situations.
In social life, index also appears. A flag at the half-mast indicates mourning. It shows that a sad event has happened. A long queue indicates high demand or limited supply. Even though culture helps us
understand the context. They are still indexical because they are connected to real situations.
In visual communication and design, index is very useful. Designers use indexical signs to make the messages more clear. For example, like a thermometer graphic indicates a temperature. A battery icon decreasing indicates low power. This makes communication more effectively, more believable, and more uh, capture the real connection. Thank you.
Okay, so to the conclude, an index is a sign that is directly connected into something real. It shows that something exists or has happened. For example, smoke shows there's fire. Footprints show someone was there. Tears show emotion. And then the sirens show an emergency. By understanding index, we can better understand how signs create meaning in our daily lives. Okay, thank you for watching our video.